If you are a craftsman or woodworker who often works with a router table is an important piece of equipment to have for a fully rounded-out workshop. These tabletops make a difficult job simple, plus they allow you to work much more efficiently. In general, if you don't have a router table, you're missing out. There are many products available to choose best router tables, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table. The Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Sharpener and Router Table is a multifunctional option for the all-around craftsman. It is a large 8x6 tabletop that can be mounted on any tool bench or table. It's easy to set up and take down for the on-the-go handyman. This option is also durable, lightweight, and can be used as a wood sharpener. As noted, this model is only designed for light work, such as making slots, grooves, or sanding items. The Dremel has an adjustable face you can make use of, as well. It is also great for precision work. Something else to note about the table is it's compatible with only Dremel corded routers and one cordless option. Beyond that, it has pre-drilled holes for a secure connection to the surface of your choice. Number 2. Rockler Trim Router Table. Router tables don't always come cheap, but we did manage to find a great option with a decent price tag. The Rockler Trim Router Table is the best router table for the money. This is a portable tabletop option that can be mounted in many locales. The pre-drilled holes allow you to clamp it to an existing workbench, a table, or even the tailgate of your truck. This model is easy to set up and just as easy to take down. You can use the Rockler tabletop to do either freehand work, or you can use the pre-drilled holes that will fit most standard trim routers. If you use your router for roundovers, chamfers, and other small jobs, this is a good option for you. On the other hand, if you are looking for something that will be compatible with a full-sized router, this is not going to be enough for your needs. A trim router specialist on the go will benefit greatly from this option, however. Number 3. Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table is our first suggestion. This is a 22.75x27x14.5 table that has many functional features. It has an aluminum top that is durable and built for precision. It also has an aluminum mounting plate that is pre-drilled to be compatible with various routers. Not only that, but it's also great for the above table height adjustments. The Bosch table has an extra aluminum fence and adjustable faceplates and feather boards. What's more, you will have a convenient dust collection port that fits most standard vacuums that are 2½ inches. This will help keep your area dust-free and tidy. Finally, you will receive 2 outfeed shims, starter pin, and guard that are handy for working with curved wood. In general, this is our top pick for a router table. Overall, this is the best benchtop router table available today. Number 4. Kreg PRS2100 Benchtop Router Table. If you want a premium table for your router jobs, the Kreg PRS2100 Benchtop Router Table is a good place to start looking. It has an extra large tabletop measuring 16x24. It also has a wide stance steel base that is durable, stable, and trustworthy. You will find this model has an industrial fence that has adjustable faces and a dust collection port. The Kreg comes with vertical jointing and new cam clamps. It is designed for a full-size router and has an insert plate precise leveler, plus new level lock reducing rings, all of which are designed to make you more efficient and secure. It has an easy slide surface as well. The biggest downside to this model is the price tag. You can set it up in your workspace as a permanent fixture or easily assemble and disassemble it at different job sites. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial T10432 Router Table. The second to last option we found is the Grizzly Industrial T10432 Router Table. This is a 31x24 tabletop that is made in an A-frame design. It has a steel stand that is, unfortunately, not always level. What's more, this model has a considerable amount of vibration and is consequently not as sturdy. Besides that, however, it has a large adjustable fence with T-slots and a universal router mounting plate. You will also find the Grizzly has a 2½ inch dust port. What you will discover is the dust port is not as effective as it should be. The table has melamine laminate and polyethylene edges and a 33-inch anodized aluminum mounting bracket. The T-slots are great for mounting feather boards and jigs, but the measurements can be off. The pieces will not always fit. This router table also has a measuring tape that can be read from left or right.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.